In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove blank rows in 3 easy ways right here in Google Sheets. So when dealing with a large set of data and you want to clean up by removing your blank rows, here are 3 easy ways to do it. For our first example, this is your manual deletion for your blank rows. So in this example, I have a few blank rows right here. And to delete a blank row, what you can do is to select that entire row by going to the left side where you see these numbers, right-click on it, and select Delete Row. And there you have it. We've successfully deleted our first blank row. Let's try that again. Let's say we want to delete multiple blank rows at the same time. What I can do is to press on the Control key on my keyboard, so I can press on that key and then select my first blank row, my second, and my third. And you'll see right now that even though they are separated, they are all selected. So if I right-click on one of those selected rows, like so, and select Deleted Selected Rows right here, there you have it. I've successfully deleted those selected blank rows. So that's your first easy way on how you can remove or delete blank rows on your data. Now let's try our second way. So this is effective on large data sets. So if you're trying to clean up and you have a large data set, you can use your filter tool. So before we insert our filter, I'm just going to select my entire data set right here. There you go. Then go to Data here in the menu bar and select Create a Filter. There you have it. Now this filter is now applied to your entire spreadsheet, to all of your columns right here. Now we can select any column, that's totally up to you. And what we're just trying to do is to filter all those blank rows. So let's go ahead and click on one of those filters and uncheck the blanks right here. So if we uncheck that, everything will be shown except for your blanks. If you click on OK here, there you have it. Now we don't have empty rows on our spreadsheet. And last but not the least, our final method on how we can remove these blank rows is to use app script. So if you're not familiar with JavaScript or creating codes for your app scripts, don't worry, we're going to be using AI to help us create that script. So I'm using ChatGPT right here, where I've created this prompt. And with this, it has generated a script code for me to copy and just paste to my app script. So once you go to ChatGPT and create your prompt, it will give you your answer. All you'll have to do is follow the instructions. So these are the instructions given right here. We have go to your extensions, open app script, paste the script above, which is right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. There you go. It's copied. Then click on save, give it a project name or not. That's totally up to you. Refresh your spreadsheet and you will see a new menu called Cleanup at the top. Click Delete Empty Rows and it will remove all empty rows in every sheet on your spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and do that. I've already copied it, and if I go back to my spreadsheet, go to Extensions and select App Script, it will open App Script in another tab. And this is where we are going to paste our script. And here's the script actually. I've already done this. I've pasted it. I've saved it. I didn't give it a name, but again, that's totally up to you. Then go back to your spreadsheet, and here is the custom menu that it has created. So I don't want it to automatically delete the empty rows on my spreadsheet after I paste the script. I want it to have a custom menu that I can click whenever I want those empty rows to be deleted. So right now we have that custom menu, and again here we have Delete Empty Rows function. If I click on this right now to run that script, it has successfully removed all those empty rows from my sheet right here. And there you have it. So again, we have our manual deletion for a few rows that you might want to delete by yourself. Next one would be with our filter tool, where we can filter all those blank rows to remove them completely. And finally, with our app script, where we can create a custom menu right here that will delete our empty rows for our entire spreadsheet. And there you have it. That's how you can remove blank rows in 3 easy ways right here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.